One of the top brands in this market is Hohem, which makes some of the best gimbals specifically designed for smartphones. You may select the ideal Hohem Gimbal for your smartphone needs by following this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Hohem isteady XE. The Hohem isteady XE is designed for people who value mobility and ease of use in their videography equipment. With a weight that is only a small portion of some of its competitors, this gimbal is ideal for producers and travelers who need dependable performance without sacrificing portability. The 3-axis stabilization technology of the isteady XE is its best feature. It produces dependably smooth footage even during dynamic movements. The XE is intended to be the first phone stabilizer for novices, being simple to set up and operate while taking pictures. To get started quickly, simply clip your phone in the middle, eliminating the need for laborious leveling. Moreover, you can spin your phone, enter inception mode, or switch between modes by simply tapping a button on the gimbal. This stabilizer's 8-hour battery life makes it ideal for prolonged use. Numerous accessories are compatible with it due to its 1/4 universal screw hole. With its 3 different color temperature settings and 10 brightness levels, this adjustable fill light lets you tailor your illumination to any situation. It is magnetically attached to the phone stabilizer and can be used in either direction to light up any moment as desired. This makes it ideal for both taking pictures of yourself and other people. Another excellent feature of the isteady XE is its construction. Its lightweight design doesn't sacrifice durability, though. By striking this equilibrium, consumers are guaranteed a sturdy tool that can resist the strain of regular use. On number 2, we have Hohem isteady M6. A strong gimbal to improve your smartphone footage is the Hohem isteady M6. The isteady 7.0 anti-shake technology and enhanced 3-axis stabilization make this phone gimbal revolutionary for content creators of all stripes. Now you may video your passion project, blog your everyday life, or take beautiful selfies and capture amazing moments with unmatched stability and smoothness. Use the isteady M6 phone gimbal to enhance your material. Try out the recently created Inception mode by using the phone stabilizer to record videos. With this mode, you may take endless pictures while rotating your phone 360 degrees vertically and without any app restrictions. You can forget about restricted angles and imperfect framing because the rolling and pitching directions can rotate to a massive 335 degrees angle. Using the iPhone gimbal makes it simple to take regretless, lively, and artistic pictures. With its 4 expansion connections and big 0.88 pounds weight capacity, the phone stabilizer lets you connect a variety of accessories, like LED lights and microphones. Refuse to accept shoddy or subpar video. You may achieve new heights in your photography and videography with the multipurpose joystick. With features like the ultra-wide angle, zoom, focus, A/B movement, and easy-to-set sports mode, you may capture breathtaking situations and produce more vibrant artwork. On number 3, we have Hohem isteady V3. With its adaptable design and mix of advanced functions, the Hohem isteady V3 gimbal is a great option for smartphone videographers of all skill levels. Adaptable control right at your fingers. You can easily and precisely control your phone's camera to make sure every moment is perfectly captured. Remote or handheld, depending on your preferences. The handle charges the remote at the same time as the remote detaches for solo use or attaches to the handle as an operational panel. Discover convenience like never before. With a decade of technological development behind it, the Hohem isteady V3 phone gimbal stabilizer boasts a new boost to its stabilization algorithm that gives you powerful, steady, and shake-free video recording capabilities. Excellent for live streaming, TikTok, vlogging, and YouTube. All skill levels may use the gimbal thanks to its simple controls and user-friendly UI, and the companion app offers further customization possibilities for those who want to adjust the settings. So these are some of the best gimbals to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.